Now we are going to discuss about a novel approach to improve software defect prediction accuracy using machine learning. Then we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to predict the software defects by using different classification algorithms. Software development and the maintenance life cycle are lengthy process, so the possibility of having defects in the software can be high. Software reliability and performance are essential measures of software success, which affects user satisfaction and the software cost. Predicting the software defects using machine learning and deep learning algorithms in one approach in this direction. Implementing this classification in the early stages of the development improves software performance quality and reduces the software's maintenance cost. Here we can implement the machine learning and deep learning with feature selection technique for the more and better efficient. The system is developed the machine and deep learning algorithms such as support vector machine and artificial neural network. With the help of these two algorithms, we can detect or predict the defects is occurred or not in the software. Then finally, we can compare the both results based on this accuracy in the form of graph. This is the abstract of our project. Now we are going to discuss about the flow of our project. First, we need to take a software defect dataset. The dataset is carried out to pre-processing. So here we can check any missing values is present or not. Why we are checking any missing values is present or not means for avoid wrong prediction. So the handling missing values is carried out to the label encoding module. Here we can convert the string into numeric integer value. So the pre-processed data is carried out to feature selection technique. So in this technique, so we are implemented the size square. So with the help of that, so we can select the best features from the pre-processed data. The feature selected data is carried out to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole data into test and train. Test is for prediction and train is used for evaluation. So after the data splitting, so we can implement the two different classification algorithms such as artificial neural network and support vector machine. So after the data was classified, so we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix. Based on that accuracy, so we can conclude which algorithm is efficient for our project. After that, the prediction part. So here we can predict either the software defect or no software defect with the help of classification algorithm. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about demo of our project. We are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the input data which we are collected from some dataset repositories like GitHub, Kaggle or UCI machine repositories. So with the help of after reading our input data, so we can check any missing values is present or not. So these are the columns which is present in your data set. 0 indicates there is no missing values for corresponding columns. Then before label encoding, so these are the strings which is present in our data set, and after label encoding we can convert the all the strings into numeric integer value. Then feature selection technique, so here we are implementing the size square. So this is the total the original features. So after implementing the size square, we are selected the best features from the original features. The final reduced features is 10. This is the result for the data splitting. So this is the total number of data and total number of trained data, then total number of test data. Then deep learning algorithm, that is the ANN. So these are the results for ANN, and estimate the performance is 80% for ANN, and the confusion matrix for ANN. Then support vector machine. So support vector machine, the accuracy is 83%, and precision recall values and confusion matrices. And we are predicting for some sample of test data. So there is a no defects and software defects as occurs based on the dataset attributes with the help of classification algorithms. Then finally we can compare the both results based on accuracy in the form of graph. So this is the demo of our project. Thank you.